Hello students, have a nice day. Today we are going to discuss characteristics of chemical reactions. These are the characteristics of chemical reactions. Any one of these characteristics tell us whether a chemical reactions are taking place or not. First of all, I am going to discuss evolution of gas. Some chemical reactions are characterized by the evolution of gas. For example, when zinc is react with dilute sulfuric acid, then zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is formed. So here in this reaction, hydrogen gas is evolved. So we can say in this reaction, chemical change takes place, or this reaction is chemical reactions, because evolution of gases takes place, and we see in the characteristics of chemical reaction, when evolution of gas takes place means chemical reactions are taking place, chemical change involved in this reaction. So we can say here this is chemical reactions. And here when sodium carbonate react with sulfuric acid, then sodium chloride, water and CO2 gas is evolved. So in this reaction, CO2 gas is also evolved. So from characteristics of chemical reactions, evolution of gas takes place means chemical reactions are taking place. So this in this reaction also chemical change involved. So this is example of chemical reaction. Now formation of precipitate. Here precipitate is new term. First of all, we should know about precipitate. Water insoluble solid substance are called precipitate. यानी जो solid substance water में soluble नहीं हो उसे हम precipitate बोलेंगे. Some chemical reactions are characterized by the formation of precipitate. For example, when sulfuric acid and barium chloride, means when aqueous solution of sulfuric acid and aqueous solution of barium chloride get mixed, then white PPT means precipitate, then white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. Here barium sulfate is water insoluble solid substance and HCl is formed. So aqueous solution of HCl. What is aqueous solution? The solution made in water is called aqueous solution, and solution made other than water is called non-aqueous solution. So here water insoluble solid substance are formed. So this reaction is also called precipitation reaction, and in this reaction precipitate is formed. So we can also say this reaction is chemical reactions, and chemical change are taking place here. This is aqueous solution of sulfuric acid, and this is also aqueous solution of barium chloride. Sulfuric acid is also water soluble, barium chloride is also water soluble, and here barium sulfate is formed, which is water insoluble substance. So we can say this is
changing state.
So we can say chemical change takes place. Change in a state. The combustion reaction of a candle wax is characterized by change in a state from solid to liquid or gas. When a candle burns, then first of all solid part of wax is melt in a liquid state. When it melt, then it also convert into gas. So we can say here change in a state are taking place. Now write down. Change in temperature. Some chemical reactions are characterized by the change in temperature, such as the chemical reaction between quicklime and water is formed. Select lime means when quicklime react with water, then select lime is formed. In this reaction, temperature increase. So we can say in this reaction, this reaction is known as chemical reactions because temperature increasing in this reaction. And next one is change in color. The chemical reaction between citric acid and purple color potassium permanganate means KMnO solution is characterized by a change in color from purple to colorless. So when citric acid react with purple color of potassium permanganate, then purple color of potassium permanganate disappears and becomes colorless. So in this reaction, color change. So we can say this reaction is chemical reaction. The chemical reaction between sulfur dioxide gas and acidified potassium dichromate solution is characterized by a change in color from orange to green. The color of potassium dichromate is orange. When orange color potassium dichromate, acidified potassium dichromate, which is green, which is orange in color, is react with sulfur dioxide, then orange color of potassium dichromate convert into green. So in this reaction also change in color takes place. So chemical reactions. So this reaction is chemical reaction. Chemical equations. The method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbol and formula of the substances which take part in chemical reactions is known as chemical equations. So when a chemical reaction represented by the symbol and formula, then such equations are known as chemical equations. In chemical equations, reactant are written in the left side and product are written on the right side, and arrow is representing in which direction reactions are carried out. That's all. Note down.